रिक्वेस्ट येयल्लो 2 दीस पयलीं सेंट एंड्रूज हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो तेंची टिचरींनी की तांकां चिखलेची हेरिटेज पळोवपाक जाय म्हणून आनी तांकां कोणी तरी रिकमेंड केलें की चिकालीम बाय-क्रुसेडर्स तांकां हेल्प करूं शकता म्हणून हेरिटेजी बाबतींत. सो ताणें आमकां एक लेटरूय बी धाडलें आनीक आमी काल पळय इंटरनॅशनल हेरिटेज डे ह्या निमतान थारायलें की एक बरी सहयोग आहा आमकां आमचे चिखलेची हेरिटेज हिस्ट्री प्रमोट करपाक आनीक आमी एक्सेप्ट केलो तो तेंचो रिक्वेस्ट आनी आयज ती येयलेली आहा उणे 100 भुरगीं आहा हांगा आनीक आमी हॅप्पी की आमची चिखलेच्या गांवांन येयली आमची हेरिटेज पळोवपाक आमची दायज पळोवपाक आनीक आमकां जाय की अशेंच आमी दुसरी तरणाट्यांनी कॉलेजी भुरग्यांनी येवन ही जाणवाय घेवन काडची म्हूण चिखलेंत आमच्या गांवांत कितें कितें आहा तें. चिखले हो एक हिस्टॉरीक गांव 10 ते 15,000 वर्सां पयलींचे हिंग इतिहास आहा फुटप्रिंट आहा मनशाचो ते अंडरग्रावंड केव्स पळय आहा ते सायटीर आयज आमी आहा आनी आमी तांकां दाखोवपाक येयल्या कित्याक आमकां जाय की गोंयकारांनी हें आपणाचें दायज ओडकून घेवपाक जाय आनी तें राखपाक प्रयत्न करपाक जाय हें आमचो एक कर्तव्य जाता सांबाळून दवरपाक फुडली पिळगे पासून.
We are thankful to our teachers for bringing us to this heritage site. We are shocked and amazed to see this underground cages, and we are proud that Goa's history goes back to the megalithic ages.
We are from St. Andrews Higher Secondary, Vade, and it was a wonderful experience for us here to come and experience this because often we think about going to places which are far off. And we think about seeing the things which may not be pertaining to our very own. Whereas over here we came to see and we have experienced something of which we have to be proud of. Something which tells us the roots of our history. That actually the civilization here in Goa and the the establishments, the people living over here dates back to much more than the civilizations that we know. So this is a new experience that we have got.
My name is Kavina Fernandez. I'm a student of Tempo High Secondary School and I'm a youth representative of Chicalim Bio-Crusaders, and I'm very happy to see all the students here. They have approached us for a walk and we are guiding them through our village, and we're really happy to have them here to educate them. I'm also helping the Chicalim Bio-Crusaders to protect, preserve our Chicalim with the village. We are very happy to see the students. We will help them and educate them about our village.